Right, my name is Dominic Capone. I'm here on Nature Calls, and I'm going to show you inside of this cave. Right? Come on, guys. So this cave goes as far as we can go. It's a long cave.
Alright. We're getting very deep in the cave now. Now you're gonna want to hike up your skivvies, because we're going in deep.
I must.
Oh, there's a drippy drip.
Oh, hopefully this whole thing doesn't collapse on us, right? Give it to Willy Wonka. Oh, yeah. Oh, invigorating. That's right there is what we call a Willy Wonka and a Willy Wood. That's basically when a Willy Wonka and a piece of wood mate, right? They go inside these caves, and each time they mate, they make another hole. So as you can see, there's about 3 Willy Wonkas in here. But that's Willy Wonka wood, and there's one right there. But just show me that you can do it, and I'll feel fine. Come on, mate.
Oh, dude.
What?
It's a bat.
Sounds.
It's a bat.
Oh, where? Oh my god! Holy crap!
Dude.
Oh, it's here! Oh my god!
Did you see that thing?
It was huge.
I wasn't scared, if that's what you think. I wasn't scared. I thought he said a man with a bat. I'm not scared of animals, this is my job. Edward Cullen, here I come. Let's go.
Oh, ew, gross. Oh. Oh.
Is that a deer's
Oh,
foot?
deer
Ew,
foot.
gross. High five.
High five.
Or 2.